Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to go live on TikTok. Open up the TikTok app. Click the upload icon from the bottom. Go to the template and camera to find live options. Then go back to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Click on menu from the top right corner. Go into settings and privacy. Click on report a problem. Then go into the live option. Tap on how to start a live. Click on no from the helpful checkbox. Then click on need more help. Here, submit your feedback regarding your problem. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.